Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it for about 8 to 10 seconds. So let's press and hold it, keep holding it. And once you see the Huawei logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.